So it is you, Ibekwe. Now listen, I am not ready to banter words with you. Neither am I ready for any of your troubles.
Your Majesty, my King, I have realized myself and I've come to pay allegiance to your rulership.
Did I hear you right?
Yes, my King. I have come to make peace with you so that we can move the kingdom forward.
Sit down.
Thank you, my King.
Ibekwe.
My King.
Now tell me the truth. Is this really from your heart?
It's from the depth of my heart, my King. Igwe, look. You are my late father's sister. There is no need of me fighting you. I have come to make peace with you so that we can work together and move our kingdom forward. You sitting on this throne is as good as me seated there. Please, my King, forgive me.
Are you sure?
My King, in order to convince you, I want you to perform the Onali ritual on me to confirm my total submission to your rulership.
May the gods of...
Stupid woman, you will remain here.
Evil man! Flog him! Forget the throne! Ah, the throne is mine! Evil man! Ah! Very well! Ah! Evil man!
Flog him till he's getting to right senses!
The throne belongs to me!
You never hold the throne!
Ah! Forget the throne, evil man! Ah!
Flog him!
Evil man!
Flog him!
Ah!
Flog him!
This is very bright.
Igwe.
You guys sit down, my people.
Igwe, we have come to ask for a favor from you.
A favor?
Yes.
My king,
Omalicham.
here's the water you requested for. My husband. The water. The water.
Hey!
What is it?
Hey.
What?
Hey, Ma. I was dreaming. In that dream, I was where I supposed to be.
Daydreaming.
You messed it up for me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay? But you can have your water, then you come inside to continue daydreaming. Since you prefer it there.
Hi. Your Majesty, the dreams I keep having continues to point that you may not forget this throne for me, even when the full moon cycle must have been completed.
Ibekwe, if not that you are royalty, I would have ordered the guards to teach you a lesson that you will never forget this morning. But let me tell you, as long as air passes through my lungs, and I sit on this throne, you must be patient until the moon cycle is completed. And only then, I will vacate the throne for you.
Igwe, every passing day looks like eternity to me. Your Majesty, why can't you just stand up from this throne and crown me the king of this kingdom? You have enjoyed enough. Let me sit there and enjoy this, all those things you have been enjoying. What is this? I am tired of this waiting.
Silence! I can see your stubbornness is incurable. Guards!
Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Get him out of here now. Move.
My husband, I don't want you to kill yourself because of the situation. No condition is permanent. It can be bad today, but good tomorrow.
Like this. Ma, when a man is poor, he will even answer the call of a ghost. My uncle, the acting Igwe, has perpetually put me in suffer with the evil treatment he meted for me and my family.
This is not poverty. This is more like someone holding something that belongs to a child and decides to take their hands up for the child not to be able to reach it. But it's going to be your turn soon. Just a little more patient.
Ma, I went to speak with the acting Igwe, my uncle, and also remind him that he is just a caretaker to that throne for me.
And what did he say?
My uncle ordered me to get out of his presence.
He ordered you out?
Do I have water in my mouth while saying it? Ezekwe.
Mother, good afternoon. Mother, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ezekwe.
Ezekwe, where is the firewood they send you to go and fetch?
It's at the back of the house.
Eze, food is ready. Yours is inside. Go and eat, then go get me more water.
Okay, mother.
Malicha, just take a look at me. Am I not man enough to make a decision for myself?
Yes, you are.
It is clear to me that my uncle, the acting Igwe, Mbadike, is doing all this so that I will die before it is my time to ascend that throne.
You will not die.
Fine. I just want you to assure me that I am mad enough.
You are man enough.
Let me go and hunt.
Ibekwe, is this why you came to see me?
Is it not important enough?
I don't understand. Do you want to kill my brother to ascend the throne? Eh? I've told you to wait. Ibekwe, wait. Wait until he hands the throne over to you. Eh?
Wanyama, stop telling me to wait. I am afraid that my uncle may not agree to hand over that throne to me when the moon cycle is completed. Mbadike loves power too much. The way he loved that throne, he is ready to rule this kingdom from his grave when he must have joined his ancestors. I know what I'm saying.
So what do you want to do?
You are asking me as if I know what to do, and I'm here talking with you.
Ibekwe, go home and take care of your wife and my late sister's child, Ezekwe. You don't have a choice but to wait. The moon cycle must be completed, except the king voluntarily hands over to you. If not, you will not do anything. Now listen, I hope you're not trying to do anything evil. I hope you're not planning to kill my brother.
Wow.
Because you know the repercussion. You know the consequences. It's a taboo. A very terrible thing to do. You better have a rethink.
Why, ma? I am not planning to kill my uncle. Man, go and talk to your brother. Let him hand over my throne to me.
Be patient.
Why, ma? Be patient, be patient. Until when?
When did he? Onye nwelu ndidi. N'edikwa n'azukpo.
My kinsman. You see, Ibekwe here came to me.
Prince Ibekwe.
Yes, Prince Ibekwe.
Yes. Prince Ibekwe. Oh, okay. Prince. Sorry now, wait. Prince Ibekwe came to me and asked me to summon this meeting for him. So he has something to tell us. Ibekwe, you can.
Ichie. I said Prince Ibekwe. I don't know why you are always forgetting that title. Add this for me, Prince Ibekwe.
Sorry. Prince Ibekwe. Address the people.
Thank you. My kinsmen, our people say that the chick that is crying in the hands of a kite only wants people to know that the kite has actually violated its right. I requested for this meeting to register my unhappiness on how my uncle has been treating me. He does not regard me as someone who will take over from him.
So he came to me.
Hey. Don't stop me, please. I'm not done. Don't say anything again unless I ask you to do, please. Mbadike has refused to hand that throne over to me. Even when I've come of this age, with my height, he has held onto that throne like a crab. I am telling you because I will do something each and every one of you will hear and regret.
Easy. Prince Ibekwe. Look, the only way to be a winner is not to quit or accept defeat.
Liar Ichie, I have not called you here to tell me what to do with the remaining part of my life. Rather, go and advise your king to act wisely and stop marginalizing me. I have come of age. They gave him that throne to hold for me. I don't know what is keeping him from giving me back that throne. I have come of age.
Ibekwe. Sorry.
Prince Ibekwe. Prince.
Sorry now. I've said sorry.
Oh no, Prince.
Prince Ibekwe. We have heard your complaint. and we shall advise the Igwe accordingly. Yeah, so calm down first. Have I spoken well?
Yeah, indeed, you have. You have.
Dikeh, I want you to come and buy that my land at Ofewe. I need money to prepare myself, just to put myself in order.
Hey, Ibekwe. Do you realize what you are asking me to come and do? Eh?
Ichie, I simply said you should come and buy that my land at Ofewe. Am I sounding like a madman?
I did not say so. I am only saying that what you are asking me to do is not possible, my brother.
How? How is it not possible? Coming to buy my own land, not possible. Why?
Do not misunderstand me, my kinsman. Eh? You see, buying any land, any piece of land is normal. Eh? And very possible. But for me to come and buy a land from you, hey, that is very not possible.
Ichie, but the land is my own. The land belongs to me.
It might be your land though. But unless the Igwe gives his approval, there's nobody in the royal household that can sell any property in the family. Nobody. Not even you.
Says who?
That is said by your uncle Igwe Mbadike. He made a decree. Oh. See, Ibekwe, if I venture, if I take the risk of purchasing this land, from you, not only will I be fined heavily, you should know that, but I must also lose the land in question.
So that is what it is. Ichie, you see why I have been crying out for help. There is no problem, you can go.
My kinsman, I'll be going. But I will always advise you. Please, be careful.
This man, we shall see.
Ibekwe, I heard you went to Ofowere to sell that land without consulting me. Why?
Don't I have the right to sell my own portion of land, Your Majesty?
It is very, very wrong of you to have done that without first consulting me. Why? Why, Ibekwe? You must take order from me before you do anything.
Your Majesty, you would have equally given order that before I breathe, I will come and take permission from you. Before I meet my wife, I will come and take permission from you. I don't want to say what is in my mind. And the only thing that matters to me in this kingdom right now is for you to forget the throne, let me occupy. Forget the throne, let me occupy.
Ibekwe!
Forget from that throne. Forget from that throne. Let me occupy. Don't stop telling me about land. What's the problem?
What vulgar.
Ma, I told you. Didn't I?
What did you tell me?
That my uncle Dikeh wants to destroy me. That man has determined to make me suffer by holding on to that which is rightfully mine. That which is rightfully mine, that man has refused to give it to me. Treating me like I am one of his slaves.
Why don't you just calm down? Be patient. My husband, please. You have just 2 more moon circles to ascend that throne. So just calm down. It will be yours. You know that.
Omalecha, that one aside. First, my uncle called me to his palace today. And I went there. My uncle said all kinds of things to me. Omalecha, could you believe that my uncle requested to know why I intend to sell that land at Ofowere?
Wait, you are tempted to sell any land?
Is it a crime? I only want to sell the land.
Why would you want to do that? Why? And to think you never mentioned it to me, your wife.
I don't understand you. Must I discuss everything with you?
Yes, because I'm your wife. And I have every right to know your intentions.
Omalicha, I can't do that one. The day I will do that, you cease to be my wife and become one of my king's men.
What are you saying?
Are you not a woman? Must I tell you everything? Omalicha, must I tell you everything?
Why not?
Don't you know that anything that enters into the ears of a typical woman goes to their heart, then escape through their mouth? Are you telling me now that...
Okay, so what exactly are you suggesting?
Whatever I did should wait first. You need to attend to me inside first. Don't waste my time.
I need to attend to you first.
Oh, Malika, stop. Don't stand up and go and attend to me first. Immediately, please.
My darling husband, calm down.
Come inside. Ichie, you said it's your brother's son who trades at Arrow. Okay, the land is from this very tree here down to that palm fruit there. Then you move. Look at that. There is a plantain over there.
I'm seeing it.
From
I'm
there
seeing it.
to this very tree here. I am the owner. So,
Ibekwe,
why am I?
so it is true you want to sell a piece of the family land without the king's knowledge?
Why am I? Am I not eligible to sell my own portion of land? My own portion of the family land? Listen, let me tell you. Until you are married and go to your husband's house, that is when you can put your mouth in a matter like this. I'm the owner of this land.
Really? Ibekwe, did I hear you say that?
Yes.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Remind me that I'm not yet married.
And it is your bad behavior that has kept you unmarried up till now.
What did I do wrong now? Eh? I just asked a simple question.
Only if and when you are married, you can ask your husband that question.
I don't blame you. Do whatever you like. Suit yourself. Madman. Onala.
Is it your land? If I sell the land, is it your property? Don't mind this mad woman here. Like I said, Alasieba. Let's go.
Nam.
Come.
Father.
Let's go.
Yes, Father.
Sit closer. Okay. You are really growing into a man.
I will grow one day.
Like the fish that jumps into a boiling pot of oil. That's by the way. Ezekwechi, I hope you will be able to take care of my wife when I'm not around.
How? But she is your wife, my mother, and you are still around.
All this. Ezekwe,
Nam.
since your mother died and your father followed, you have lived here with us like a son, to an extent that everyone in this kingdom has forgotten that you are not my biological son.
But I am your real son now. Or do I have any other to call my parents?
I was only trying to lay the foundation of my discussion. Ezekwe, listen to me. Let no one, be it man or woman put you in their loin bag because of your size. You are a man. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, Father.
Good. You can go now. You can finish that remaining one.
Thank you.
Take this.
You lie! You lie!
Now you don't have to do this,
Lanya,
please. You don't have to do this.
You cannot stop me. I must do something that will make this kingdom sure. I must do it.
Hey.
Listen to me, your tears cannot stop me. This thing has turned into mourning. Because I am seeing myself and beginning to think that I'm already a dead man and you're a widow.
The gods forbid. I will not be a widow.
Then allow me to do what is in my mind. I promise you it will be for our own good.
Our own good?
Yes.
That is what you've been saying. Yes, nothing. It's been years, nothing. Do you know, the thing you should do to make this village and myself shudder is for you to plant a seed, a fruitful one, inside of me, so I can bear us children.
Is it my fault? Ma, how is it my fault? I have been distributing my seed inside you, but you have refused to turn them into children. How is it my fault?
I'm not the gods. I don't give children.
Okay. I promise you, I will pour in another one. This very one will definitely bear fruit.
Nani!
Nothing will stop me from doing what is in my mind.
What? Nani, no. Why are you doing this to me?
Mother, stop crying. Eh? He has promised to give you a baby very soon. And anyone he gives you, you manage it like that. Eh?
This is where you won't understand. You don't understand. This is where you won't understand.
I know.
You don't understand. I'm in pain.
Stop crying. Eh? You know I don't like seeing you crying. Eh? Sorry.
My husband,
Amalicha.
did you enjoy the food?
Yes, of course. Thank you for the meal.
Can we go inside?
Go inside and do what? We are good here.
When you left, I met with a diviner because I was worried about our childlessness. And she instructed that I meet with my husband, not when the sun is at its peak or when it's nightfall, because we've tried that and it never worked. But she instructed I meet with you at dusk and I'll get pregnant. I'm very convinced that this time, if we follow the instruction, it will work.
Ma.
No.
Thank you for the food. The meal is extremely delicious. I thank you for that. For the fruit, I also thank you. But the mission before me will not permit me to look at what is in between a woman's two legs. Not to talk of going in there. So your mission is not possible.
Mission? I don't know what you're talking about. Nani, let's go inside. Biko, no. You're my husband. I have... Nani, please, I want you.
Ma, I said your mission is not possible.
Please, I want to follow the instructions the diviner gave to me. Please. Nani bikonu, achomwa, Nani bikonu, Nani bikonu, achomwa, Nani bikonu, Nani bikonu.
So let me understand. You mean he truly ran away? Eh?
This man has ruined my life. He has ruined my life in Ankara.
I don't think he has run away because that his bag is still inside the house.
Well, you see, I think your husband is just trying to play some pranks on you. You heard the young lad. His bag is still inside the house. And you know your husband. He cannot possibly travel without his bag.
Which bag?
That's his bag. It's still inside.
Go and get it.
Okay.
Don't worry, nothing to worry about, eh? I'm sure he will come back. He's just playing a prank, eh?
So.
No problem. No need to worry.
He's no longer there.
What do you mean it's no longer there?
See, I told you. I know my husband. He's gone. He's gone.
What is happening? How can a man like Ibekwe run away, abandoning his home, a pretty wife, and his imminent position as crown prince, heir apparent to the throne of Ankara? No. Something is wrong somewhere.
I told him to be patient. But he wouldn't listen.
Don't worry, eh? Take heart, eh? Let me just go and rise up some youths, eh? They will go and search for him the length and breadth of this land. I am sure we'll find him. Eh? No, don't cry. Ezekwe.
Iche.
Please console her, eh? Let me go and tell the youths. I'll be back.
Why would you do this to me? Why would you do this to me? What did I do?
You'll be back soon. You'll be back. Please stop crying.
My wife, I was on my way to see you.
I was also on my way to see you. I hope all is well.
All is well. I heard that Ibekwe disappeared from home.
I woke up to discover that he has disappeared from home. And I don't know where he went.
Hey! Ibekwe. He's so impatient. Eh? Anyway, what will you do? Eh? You will not kill yourself because of Ibekwe. I told him to be patient. But he said no. He refused. Eh? He wants Zigwe to die today so he can get on the throne.
What did I not say to persuade him? But he wouldn't listen. Look at me. No child. Not even one.
It's okay. Alright? He will return when he makes home. I know him too well. I only pray he does not stay long away.
Pray so. That's if he's still alive. If he's still alive.
Ma, like I said, do not kill yourself because of Ibekwe. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, you can go now. Huh?
Thank you.
Let me go back home. Hey.
Crying will not bring back your husband if he has killed himself.
May the gods forbid. May the gods forbid my husband will not kill himself.
I didn't say he will kill himself. I said if he has killed himself.
What will I do? That means I will be a widow. I will become a widow.
and share my candles with straying birds.
Stop crying. Eh? I'm here with you. Both of us will stay here and I'll take good care of you. Please.
See? You won't understand my situation. I know you will take care of me. I know.
It's okay now.
Dikeh,
I hope all is well.
all is not well. All is not well. All is not well.
So what happened? Did somebody die?
Nobody is dead yet, but the Igwe is seriously sick. Very, very sick.
May the gods forbid. Igwe kwa?
Igwe.
But I was with Igwe just yesterday.
Lolo ran to me this morning to tell me that the Igwe became very sick last night.
May our forefathers forbid.
He said,
Hey! Ndị iro achọkwa ịnwa obodo a ọnwụnwa e. The enemies of the throne will never succeed.
He said,
Ichokeke, I was just about going home.
Okay.
Yeah. But there is no need to do that. Let me just follow you from here. Let us go to the palace. Hey! They will not succeed.
Igwe!
Hey! Igbo Madam.
Hey!
Our ancestors will never allow any evil to befall us in this land.
Any hand that will bring death to this community, may it wither and become leprous.
He say,
Ha!
My elders, I greet you. Greetings of the way. You go want to see Ichi Okeke.
What? I hope his condition has not deteriorated.
Please come with me immediately.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go.
hey, this matter is becoming very serious. Eh?
Enemies. Enemies. Enemies!
Everywhere.
Ha!
They will not get off.
How is he?
I hope it's okay.
He demands that Dikeh the healer be brought to him immediately.
That is good now. Are you going to see him or should I go for him on my way home?
Let us go and see him at once. There's no need to delay.
No time for delay. Let's go.
Let me collect
my machete. Hey!
Hey, listen. What is that? I have never seen this kind of sickness that find him.
Dikeh, we thank you. You have tried your best. We appreciate your efforts, but the gods know what is best for us. Great healer of our land, I want you to know that wherever the Igwe is now, he appreciates all that you have done. Thank you.
I believe you know what to do.
Yes, great healer. We know what to do. We know what to do exactly, and we shall swing into action immediately. I want you to also know that the entire council of elders will come to you to bring our appreciation. Thank you.
It's okay.
Lolo, please, hold yourself together. Hold yourself together. The king is not dead, but has gone to be with his ancestors. He realizes how much you have loved him all these years. I am sure he appreciates you. But you and I know that any tears at this point will desecrate this land. Bikulolo. Oh? Emetapola haro. Go to your quarters. Hold yourself. Eh? Ndo. Karobi. Karobi. Oh? Okosisi Adago. The great Iroko has fallen. Our great king has journeyed to be with his ancestors. My kinsmen, we all know that death is the way of all mortals. But it is important that we remember that at this point there must be no tears, no wailing, no one shall cry in the land of Nkara until the great Ikoro has been sounded. We all know how dire the consequences will be. Information should be disseminated to every household to hold themselves. Oh no, who? Obi abawala mo. However, we have to commence preparations to do what is needed traditionally immediately. Ichie Ibezim, yes. Please, come. Ndichie, let us get on with it immediately.
I am heartbroken.
Hi.
Oh, Kwandi Beba, who is home? Ma.
Yeah. Ichie Okeke.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I hope all is well.
There's no problem at all. I've only come to make a small inquiry.
About what tonight?
There's nothing to worry about. Do you have any ideas where Ibekwe is?
Nai, I don't know where he is. If I knew, I would have gone there to meet him. He didn't tell anybody where he was going to. And you are aware he just disappeared from Nkara. I have no idea.
This is serious. There's no problem. Let me go back to those who sent me.
Okay. I hope all is well. Nai.
There's nothing to worry about. We're just trying to make some crucial decisions. There's no problem.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
I disagree with all of you. We cannot continue to wait for him.
How can you be
What if this man is dead?
Alibe, how can you be saying this? What if Ibekwe still lives?
Alibi is right.
Oh.
He's right.
How?
We cannot continue to wait for him. Yes. For how long? We'll hand over the rulership to the one who is available.
To fear. Who? That small boy? Who? That small one. I don't think you have a scintilla of shame on your face. Yes! How do you introduce your king to people? How?
John, would you keep quiet? Keep quiet!
Why would you tell him to keep quiet?
I said keep quiet! Let him make his opinion. Does it matter?
It does not matter.
Does it matter?
It does not
the
matter.
strength of a king is in his wisdom, not his stature. The strength of a king is in his subjects. We'll give it to him.
Yes.
As easy as that.
My people, please.
Yes?
My people, let us calm down. What is all this? What is it? We have a very serious matter on our hands. And we're here quarreling. Quarreling over what?
I wonder.
Eh? A man whose house is on fire does not chase after rats. Mba. Ibekwe, who should be the next king, suddenly disappeared into the air. Disappeared! Nobody knows where he is. Do you know where he is? Does it mean he's dead? Or
Tell us now!
And tradition, by the way, demands that the kingship cannot depart from that family. Therefore, we shall give it to Ezekwe, Ibekwe's son.
Yes.
Yes. I'm not part of it. Yes. I'm not part of it.
Anyone that will not be part of this will be regarded as a saboteur. Good. Oh yes. No matter the size of a king, he is a king.
Yes.
Listen, what matters is the glory that surrounds the king and his throne, not his size.
Okay.
Listen, we are going to crown Ezekwe. The way we treat our king will determine how our neighbors will see him and treat him too. Good.
Yes.
Have I spoken with my people?
Yes.
So let us go ahead.
Okay.
That's good.
So, what are we going to do now? Alibe, what we shall do is to agree with him. He's our choice. So we should allow his desires. Since he has decided not to rule from the former Igwe's throne, we should compromise.
Yeah. Let us not think that way. Yeah? It's not possible. No. He is the king to be. But we are the kingmakers.
Yes.
If we don't put the crown on his head, is he going to carry the crown and force it on himself?
Not possible.
It's not possible.
It's not.
Uh-huh.
And that is why I'm asking us, what are we going to do?
Well, we all know that there is no way we can have two palaces in one compound. It is not possible. The kingship is in the family. Okay. And it's the same family. So all we have to do is convince him to rule from the same throne as the last Igwe. That's all.
Okay. He says Zekwe not going to be married before becoming the Igwe. Are we going to be ruled by a bachelor?
That is a small thing. It shouldn't bother us so much for now. We don't have time on our hands. The marriage and the coronation will take place at the same time. Yes. How are you?
I'm fine. I went to your house and I was told you're here.
I hope all is well.
How can all be well, Ichie? How can all be well? When you and Nkara people are planning evil against my father's house.
I don't understand. You are speaking in deep meanings.
I heard that you've agreed to crown Ezekwe, the Igwe of Nkara.
So what is evil about that? Is he not the only available option in the absence of the rightful heir to the throne?
It is not true. A stranger cannot ascend the throne of our forefathers.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
What I'm trying to say is that Ezekwe cannot be crowned the Igwe of Nkara. It is an abomination.
How?
Because he is not from Nkara.
Hey, woman, please. Please, just mind what comes out from your mouth. Don't put me in trouble. If Ezekwe is not from Nkara, where is he from?
Umobom. He's the only son of my late sister, married to Mazi Grube in Umobom. As a matter of fact, my sister died while giving birth to him, after which the husband followed suit. And Ibekwe decided to adopt him.
This is strange. Are you sure of what you're saying?
I did not make it up either. Ichie, I am surprised that you've forgotten the story of Ezekwe. Please, whatever decision you want to take, please, consider the people of Nkara. Do not do anything that will put us in calamity. That is what I am asking you for.
It's okay. I've heard you, I've heard you. I will look into this properly, and of course I will discuss with the elders. But if what you are telling me is true, then we have a whole lot of trouble on our hands. Yes, we're in serious trouble.
How?
Because there'll be no one in your family to be crowned the Igbo of Ankara.
Ichie, what do you mean? Nobody in my family to be crowned the Igbo of Ankara? So who am I? Am I not of royal blood?
Why am I? Why am I? Please, this is not a matter we can conclude now. I have to go home. I've done with what I have here now. I have to go home, think about this, discuss with the others, and then I will invite you. I will call you so that I will tell you what we have decided.
Ichie, no. I will go home with you because I need answers. Don't worry. Just take your time. Take all the time you need. Even if it means me waiting till nightfall, I will wait because I need answers. I cannot watch the kingship of this kingdom leave the royal home. You said you're done here. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Ichie, let's go.
Hi, small me, Ezekwe, become the next Igwe of this kingdom. And then all those old men and women will then be bowing before me. Igwe! Hey! Hey! Even those guys will now be under my command. You, do this, do that, bring my food. And then any beautiful maiden I see, I will tell her, you will be my wife. This is too sweet. The next Igwe of this kingdom. Hey. And then later, I will be commanding all those chiefs in this kingdom. You, Chief Okeke, rise, bow before me, and then I will tap them with my holster. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you. And they will be like, he say, hey, I'm so happy. I can even marry as many as that I want. I can even marry like 5 or 6. Hell, Odogu, Igwe. Igwe of this kingdom.
There is already a throne here. Building another throne will send the wrong signals. The people might think we have 2 thrones. And that is not good for us. So, Ezekwe, you will have to rule from your uncle's throne. But something else came up. One Emma came to my compound yesterday to protest against our decision to crown Ezekwe.
Protest what?
She claimed that Ezekwe is not even a freeborn of Ankara. I don't know how true this is.
That woman? Okay, what does she want?
She is insisting that she be crowned instead.
Oh, hey. When has it been known, ever known, in the entire annals of history of the Nkara people that we ever had a woman king? Has it ever happened before? Eh? Hey! This is totally laughable and unbelievable. Okay, let us even say that Ezekwe here is not qualified to be king in Nkara. Even if he's not qualified to rule as Igwe in Nkara kingdom, is there no other way we will do this? Is there no other way we can achieve rulership for our land rather than give it to a mere woman?
My people, let's find out from Ezekwe about this allegation. Then we will think of what to do.
First of all, thank you all for your concerns over my affair. It is true that I am not from Nkara, but I have a root here because my mother is also from this royal family. And by the virtue of that relationship, I believe that I am qualified to be the Igwe in the absence of my uncle Ibekwe.
Sit down, Ezekwe. This is wisdom. But who lifts the head of the yam and begins to dig from the tail?
And I happen Nishiji. One order there.
So we can only do what is right.
Yes, but I advise caution. I advise we use wisdom. I will suggest that we go back and think this matter through and thoroughly. First, before we make any further comment, any further decision on the matter.
Well spoken, my kinsman. In fact, I agree with you all the way. Therefore, all arrangements towards the coronation is put on hold for now. Until we decide what to do.
That is it. Indefinitely.
Good.
Why should you take your wickedness to that extent? If I won't be the Igwe, who will the person be?
Little boy, you're ruffling your feathers too hard. They will soon fall off. Are you a fool? I think I need to teach you some lessons.
You can't do anything to me. My mother is from here.
That is why you're not working on your fours yet. A child that raises his father up will have his eyes blinded. You want to dance the dance of the elders.
Go away. You are only boasting, wicked woman. I must be the Igwe of Nkara, whether you like it or not.
Then wait till I'm dead, little chick.
don't like it, you step out. Let us continue with our enjoyment. Don't come and spoil our enjoyment.
Dikeh, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Do this correctly. Do it right. Yeah.
Igwe!
You may all be seated.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey! Hey!
My people, by virtue of our grand coronation, the festivities that followed, and the general acceptance of her kingship by our people of Ankara, it is pertinent that we, the elders in council, give her the support that she deserves and desires to be the greatest king Ankara has ever seen.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Igwe Wanyema, I want you to know that we, the entire council of elders, are totally behind you. We support you.
Oh no.
Igwe.
You have spoken well.
Thank you.
My elders.
Igwe.
I want to thank you all for your support. The celebration surrounding my grand coronation was beyond my imagination. I never saw it coming. Thank you. I want to assure you, though I am a woman, that I will be the greatest king this kingdom has ever produced.
Enough food in the land. Enough food in the land. Food. Enough food in the land.
Yes. So, you are saying we should not have crowned her? Is that what you're saying?
Yes. I am saying it is better we remain like that instead of having Wanyema as the king of this community.
Izuogo, there is something I don't understand. What exactly do you have against this woman?
I don't have anything against her. As a matter of fact, I like her so much. But I do not like the idea of a woman becoming the king of Ankara land. I don't. I don't, yes.
You see, Izuogo, it is not the woman that matters in rulership, but the power, the authority you place on whosoever sits upon that throne. Yes.
Dikeh, wait until our neighbors begin to call us a community with a woman king. Then you will know that we have got it wrong.
It is only when you go before those others to tell them that your king is a woman, that is when they will treat you so. Yes. Do you know that we can make our woman king so formidable that even our enemies will tremble at the mention of her name? Did you know that? Yes.
Yeah. Dikeh, it's like you do not understand that the smell of the shrew is in its body and that it's not ready to leave it, no matter how you wash it. Let me tell you, a woman king is a woman king. A woman Igwe is a woman Igwe.
Oh, I have heard you, Izuogo. I have heard you. But what I need you to remember is that no matter how an Igwe is, his subjects must bow to him. Yes, even if that Igwe is a woman, her subjects must bow before her, and that includes you.
Protested, and she was made the new ruler of Ankara Kingdom.
Ma,
Yes.
where were you when she was made the ruler of this kingdom?
What were you expecting me to do? Huh? You were not around. So she was made the new ruler of the kingdom.
And Wanyima was not afraid to ascend another man's throne as the ruler of this kingdom. First, she is a woman. Secondly, that throne does not belong to her.
Dimoma, Wanyima is already the ruler of the kingdom, and there's nothing you or anybody can do about it.
It is a lie. Ma, you lie. That throne does not belong to her. I am the rightful owner of that throne, and nobody can take it away from me. In fact, I am going